Alright guys, got the 0560 hissing sound from the pedal fixed with that line I changed. Good brake pressure, no hissing sound, so that plugged line did fix this. This was part 3, I guess, part 3 of the video. Got the new line in back here. This clamp holds it on, not very good. So that plugged line is causing all those problems for me. And then in your reservoir, this thing should be churning up. Tons of fluid in there, like really flowing. I know it's hard to see that. Hope you can see that thing just flowing fluid. Should be moving like crazy, not like real slow. That's what that line, it was moving really slow until I changed the line out. Sorry about all the noise. So I'm gonna top that thing off, but I got good nice flow in the reservoir. So, see you guys later. Bye.